All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $105.68. It's all said and done at an overage moneymaker of $11.02. And as always, that total includes the tax. Gotta keep it real on our coupon post here, real accurate. So this is for the week, the short week of December 26th, day after Christmas, till December 28th, or December 26th to December 27th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. So I'm been doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away. I guess three times a year Publix is closed: New Year's, Thanksgiving, and Christmas Day. Gives that long week before Thanksgiving and before Christmas, and that kind of couple days short week after Christmas and after Thanksgiving, and that's where we are. So not that many good deals this week in the 2 or 3 days you got to do these deals, but I still manage to find some good deals and have a little money maker here. And some of these deals I did before, I did them again. So let's get right into it. Probably 12, 15 deals here that I did this week. So you by Kotex did this before, and it came back in Ibotta, so I got to do it again. You got to find these 14 or 24 count pads. They're $3.35 is the regular price, and that's two of them cost $6.70. So I used 2 of these manufacturer printables that gave me $1.15 off. So that was $2.30 to the good. Ibotta, as I mentioned, has $2 on each one, so that's $4 to the good. And then you got your fetch. You got either 1,250 points or 1,000 points. I'd use both of those, but I did make it to my spend 20 fetch offer, and you get 2,500 points. So that was another $2.50 to the good for me. Made that $2.10 overage. All right, Nature Made Pottasium. This deal is good till December 30th, so you got a little time on that. From the Extra Savings book, there is a Publix digital coupon for $2 off. So, as you know, my tip is clip all those Publix digital coupons, clip all those Ibotta rebates, so they are less likely to go away on you, because sometimes they run out of prints or clips in this case. So regular price for this is $4.99, just the regular price. And as I mentioned, there's a Publix digital coupon for $2 off, as well as this $3 off from the Extra Savings book. So $4.99 spent, $2 from the Publix digital coupon, $3 from the Extra Savings coupon, giving you a 1 cent overage on that. Oh, Band-Aid gauze, man, this is the moneymaker. So if you haven't used your 5 off of 15 coupon, this is what you want to use it on, or what I used it on. So $2.12 regular price for these, and I bought 8 of them, so you can kind of mix and match them. There's, I think, 3 of them for $2.12. So I bought 8 of them, as I mentioned, for $2.12. Comes to $16.96, no tax on this healthcare item. And I used 8 of these Publix store coupons. It took $2 off. So that was $16 to the good. And then, as I mentioned, there's a Publix digital coupon for when you spend 15 in Johnson's products, you get $5 off Publix digital coupon. So that took another $5 off. So that made that a $4.06 overage. And once again, use your overages to pay for whatever else there is. Here, I just had a couple good deals with most of them had overages. So Tate's cookies, I love this deal. It always comes back in Ibotta. Line those edges up on that receipt, and if you got all your Ibotta rebates pre-clipped, this Ibotta rebate will come off for Tate's cookies. It is regular $1.25. It's on sale for $1, and you get $1 back from Ibotta, making it $0. So free for that. Rockstar energy drink. I believe these are going out because they are regular price $2.50. So with the tax, it's like $2.63 or $2.70. But it is on sale for 2 for $2.50. So $1.25 for that, and there's tax, so that comes to $1.34. There's Publix digital coupon. Hopefully you still got it. I had one for $1 off. I took $1 off, and there is an Ibotta rebate for 50 cents off. So that made that a 16-cent overage moneymaker. Artisian Burrito. As you can see, I was hungry this morning, so I ate that. This is regular price $2.49. So it is just the regular price. There's a Publix digital coupon for $2 off, making that only 49 cents. Now, you should check your Publix digital coupon. Some are $1 off, some are $2 off. I had used the $2 off one, making that only 49 cents. And of course, you know, I was working up to something. I still have my Save a Lot competitor coupon that takes $10 off your $50 purchase. I was, you know, at like $60, I think, before coupons. It works as, you know, after tax. In this case, it's after tax. So it came to like 50, I don't know, 60 some, 70 something dollars after tax and before coupons. So you hand them this coupon first, they take that off right away, and then you pay for the rest of the stuff with coupons, and you will have, or in my case, I had my overage here. And I mean, I didn't have it, but then when Ibotta kicked in, and I had my overage. So Natuchips, did this deal before. Still got a couple left in fetch. It's a limit of 5. I've used 3 or 4 of them so far. So the regular price $2.29. You get $1.50 or 1,500 fetch points, which is equivalent to $1.50. So that made that only 79 cents. It helps you build up to your 50. Clorox disinfectant mist, right there. Regular price $5.29. For this guy, when you factor the tax, it went up from $4.99. You factor the tax, it's $5.69. And I use this manufacturer printable coupon for $2 off. There's also a Publix digital coupon for $2 off. It glitched for me, it came off, so I was able to get both of them. There is also, checkyourcoupons.com, you might have something on there. But there's also Swagbucks has 100 points on any Clorox disinfectant item, I think except for like the small bleach or whatever, but that came off, and that made that only 69 cents for that. All right, Splenda liquid, where is it? Oh, Splenda liquid stevia, $4.49 for these little guys, and came back in Ibotta for 2 of them, $8.98. There is a manufacturer coupon, and now I'm out of them, from the Save 11/16 that expires on December 30th, so I had to use that. That took $4 off. There is a Publix, there is an Ibotta rebate for $1.75 off Splenda stevia. As I said, I lined up my receipt perfectly, and it took this off. I'm not sure if this is the right stevia item, but it took it off $1.75 and twice, so that was $3.50 to the good. So $8.98 spent, $4 from the manufacturer coupon from the Save 11/6, $3.50 back from Ibotta, making that only $1.48 total. Sundown B12, or you can get the zinc, or let's see what else was there. Calcium, magnesium, zinc. Regular price is $4.99 or $5.99. There is a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off. There's also that store coupon similar to that one that takes $3 off, so $4.99 spent or $5.99 spent, or whatever one you want to get. But you get $3 from $3 to the good from the store coupon, extra savings store coupon. You get $2 from the Publix digital coupon, making that 1 cent overage. All right, Wildgood ice cream. So for this one, I just had a free product code, free product coupon. If you join Social Nature, they send you these coupons, and you get to try the product for free, unless they give you a free product coupon, and you have to write a review on what you thought of the product. So I had one of those, and expired December 31st. Today's the 26th. I had to use that and help me build up to my 50. Just regular price $7.49. Tax $8.05. You know, obviously they don't give me the tax back, so $7.49 came off from the coupon, and 56 cents spent for that. All right, Soylet protein nutrition shakes. So $9.99 for these, no tax on them. $19.98 for 2 of them. However, they're BOGO this week, so you get 2 of them for $9.99. There is a manufacturer printable coupon, and as always, I know I speak fast. I got the link to print all the coupons. I got a detailed breakdown below the video. Just below the video, you hit more. Might have to hit more twice. But you hit more, and it'll bring down the retail price of everything, as well as the coupons I used, as well as links to print the coupons. And in this case, it was from coupons.com. It was $2.50. I used 2 of these. And then and/or has coupons.com app has $2.50 back on that. So $9.99 spent for 2 of these. Used 2 of these, $2.50 manufacturer printable coupons. I took $5 off. Coupons.com gave another $2.50 back, so made that only $2.49 for both of those. Definitely helped me build up to my 50. All right, Colgate toothpaste deal. Got a good toothpaste deal here. These are depending on the store, but mine were $4.59 each. Kind of expensive. So for 2 of them would come to a $9.87. However, they're $4.59. They're BOGO this week, so you get 2 of them for $4.59. Factor the tax on those guys, come to $4.93. There is a manufacturer printable. I got the link to print that below. Takes $1 off. I used 2 of those. I believe it is a maximum of 2. So I used 2 of those. And what do you know? My Publix digital coupon also came off. So that was another, that's the good thing. You know, you got all your Publix digital coupons clipped. Things come off that you're not expecting. So that's kind of a good tip there I'm giving you. So that was another $1 off when that Publix digital coupon came off. As well as there is 2 of these, used 2 of these from the winter savings book. I also got a link to print this below. I used 2 of those, so that was another $2 to the good. And coupons.com and/or has $1 back on that. So $4.93 spent, $2 from the manufacturer printable coupons, $2 from the winter savings books, $1 from the Publix digital coupon, $1 from coupons.com. Made that a $1.07 overage on that guy. Daiya cheese with a Z cake. I did this deal a few months back, and I still had 1 of these free product coupons that, you know, sometimes they have, like, you know, try a little booth set up to try the food. In this case, they usually have coupons there too sometimes. And in this case, they had one for a free one. I said, can I get another one of those? So I had 2. It's $8.59. And the coupon took $8.59 off, completely free. So you gotta love that. I also submitted it to Merrifield, which gave me 5% back, which is about 40 cents. As well as the Daiya pizza Ibotta rebate came off. So that was another 75 cents to the good. So in total made that $1.22 overage. All right, last deal. The Pepsi Nitro. I want to try this. I think I tried it before. Maybe the other flavor, but $2.19 for this guy, just regular price. So with tax, $2.35, and Fetch has 1,250 points for that guy back. So that made that $1.10 total for that. And once again, I was over $50, so I had I used that. Use that competitor coupon. So a competitor coupon is maybe a competing grocery store in the area within like a 5-mile radius. Usually when you walk in the store where they keep the carts, there's like a green placard poster that says we accept these competitor coupons. You know, usually Winn-Dixie is on there for sure, and Target, Sprouts, Save a Lot, Fresh Market, whatever, Whole Foods maybe, whatever. So in this case, the store that I specifically went to took that $10 off. $10 competitor coupon. So that really helped me get to my overage. So once again here, over $105 worth of stuff here, and over an $11 money maker on this trip. So hopefully another video is coming on Thursday. Once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy. Hit the like button. I'm trying to build my channel up, and hope everybody had a good holidays and just kind of resting, and everybody enjoy their couponing if you can get out in the next couple days.